Lakes, when compared to streams, behave in a different fashion when impacted by pollution, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Firstly, though, I want to point out the main obvious difference between lakes and streams, which is that unlike streams, the water in lakes is mostly stagnant. That is, the water in lakes does not flow like a stream does. When pollutants rich in phosphorus and nitrogen are dumped into lakes, the existing aquatic plant life is very, very happy because it is fertilizers to them. That is, phosphorus and nitrogen is food for aquatic plants. So, what happens to this plant life? That's right, it greatly increases, which then results in an increase of decomposing matter. In order for microorganisms to decompose dead life, oxygen is required. And as a result, there is a drop in the oxygen levels of a lake. This is so far very similar to the dissolved oxygen profile in streams. However, lakes don't flow. So what happens? Well, since there is no flow in a lake, the lake does not reclaim oxygen from the air through reaeration. And what would be the result of this? That as the oxygen levels drop, so does the aquatic plant population in the lake. And as the plant life decreases, so does all the other aquatic life in a lake. That's why lakes are much more susceptible to pollution. This process is illustrated graphically in this figure in your textbook. As it turns out, though, water in lakes is not completely stagnant. Thanks to thermal stratification and seasonal overturn, deep water in a lake may actually reach the surface, and surface water may actually go to the bottom, as shown in this figure of your textbook.